Ever wondered what it feels like to hold a piece of American history in your hands? Welcome back, folks. Today we're journeying through time with the Salute to America 250 trading cards, a true collector's dream. Before we delve deeper, do us a solid, won't you? Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Stay updated on the latest and greatest in the world of collectibles. Imagine this, 250 trading cards, each a tale of American history waiting for you to discover. These aren't just collectibles, they're time capsules, transporting you through the vibrant journey of America. The design of these cards is nothing short of art. The glossy finish, the striking colors, each card is a masterpiece. Beholding one is akin to cradling a fragment of American pride, but where the true magic lies is in the stories these cards tell. From unforgettable moments in American sports to turning points in politics, it's like walking through history one card at a time. These cards weave a connection across generations. History enthusiasts, sports fans, story lovers, there's something for everyone. Picture sharing these moments with your loved ones. That's the essence of Salute to America 250. And the best part, the rarity. Some cards are as elusive as a four-leaf clover. Limited editions, special prints, treasures waiting to be unearthed. This isn't just a collection, it's an investment in history. Feeling the urge to start your own collection? Check the link in the description to kickstart your Salute to America 250 journey. If you already own some cards, share your favorite stories in the comments below. Let's cultivate a community around our shared passion for history and collectibles. That's all for today's guide. If this trip down memory lane ignited your interest, show us some love with a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Until next time, continue collecting those memories and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers!